Delhi woke up to a dense fog today as the cold wave gripped the national capital. If we show the visuals of the India Gate also, there is very less visibility as of now in the central Delhi area also. These are the visuals of India Gate and you cannot be able to see India Gate very clearly, and the city has experienced significantly reduced visibility due to the fog, and due to that the vehicles number have also been decreased down. And if you can show you the visuals of the opposite side, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is also not visible. The Kartavya Path is completely foggy as of now, and you can see the visuals. The visibility is reduced to the level of zero, but there are some parts of Delhi that is experiencing the visibility to be decreased down to the level of zero, and also various segments are also being disturbed due to that, whether it's the daily commuters traveling from one place to another, whether it's the flights, these are also getting affected. And you can see the lights of the vehicles are on because of the safety measures they have to follow because of the reduced visibility and increasing fog in the national capital. Talking about the temperature that has been observed today, then yes, it has been dropped down to the level of 8 degrees to 9 degrees in the national capital, but the temperature in the late at nights or the early mornings have been observed to be 5 to 6 degrees, and IMD has also issued an orange alert in the national capital because of the declining temperature very fastly. And also IMD has stated that there is a chance of a little rain happening tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and after that also there will be a major drop in the temperature level. So yes, the upcoming days will be very cold for the people of the national capital, and the cold wave will grip the national capital as it is gripping now. And talking about the foggy situations, then yes, as today it is the sixth consecutive day when Delhi is facing such cold waves and such breezy waves here. So the upcoming days are also expected to be very cold. So we also urge all the viewers who are watching us, who are watching NewsX, to take care of themselves and to take care of themselves while traveling also, and to take all the safety measures and precautions while going out of their homes. With camera person Avdesh, I am Mehendi Garg for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.